So all the energy we use for the Bitcoin mining is with solar energy. And we save on the gas use. So, well, in essence, we think we are going to save a lot of gas by using this solution for heating our greenhouse.
Yeah, so Bitcoin miners, they produce a lot of heat. So you have a delta of approximately 20 degrees Celsius between the temperature that goes into the miner and that comes out of the miner. And that's because the processors in this computer are constantly trying to guess a random number, and that produces some heat. Yeah, so this operation is actually carbon negative, as is all the operations I basically build. So we reduce natural gas and we use renewable electricity, which means it's better for the environment. So we're actually improving the environment instead of the other way around.
And some growers have decided, because of the increase in gas prices, to stop growing this year and see what happens next year. And in some cases, it led to bankruptcy. Yeah. The most important thing we get out of it is we save on natural gas. That's for us the most important reason to have Bitcoin miners in our greenhouse. And secondly, well, we earn Bitcoin by running them in the greenhouse.